Hello and welcome to this video from Berthon International of the Key West Custom Tender, which is offered for sale in Palma de Mallorca. Key West was designed and built in Palma by i3 Advanced Marine Composites, a business that is known for their expertise in the highest quality custom luxury yacht equipment. The design is based on the Key West 28 design, upgraded with an extended platform and built with a carbon, kevlar and resin infused sandwich hull laminate. There is an electric anchor windlass with self-stowing bow roller and stainless anchor. The boat offers a versatile walk-around deck layout finished in custom sea-deck non-slip surfaces. There are powder-coated handrails around the side decks and pop-up mooring cleats. Here in the video you can see the forward cockpit area, with forward console seats and twin bench seats. The seats are finished in quality quilted vinyl upholstery and backrests. The boat is also fitted with a custom carbon T-top with extended sunroof. The foredeck has been designed with a full sun pad with a removable central section which allows access to the vast lazarette. The lazarette features lighting, sea toilet and a carbon basin. The helm position features twin Garmin glass screen chart plotters. The dashboard is wrapped in a custom pearlescent finish with carbon inlays. There is also a steering compass, finger controls for the plotters, throttle control for the outboard and Fusion Apollo head unit for the notable sound system. The helm and co-pilot bench is fitted with a foldable bolster with integrated cup holders. There is also a storage bracket for the carbon table which can be set up in the aft cockpit or forwards at the console. There is an L-shaped bench seat in the aft cockpit with integral storage, and there are mesh storage nets, pull-out storage locker and a 12-volt fridge. The boat is sold with a bimini with carbon poles which easily locate within sockets on the platform. Key West is powered with the powerful Mercury V8-F250 XL outboard engine, which offers top speed performance of up to 40 knots. Below the carbon T-top you have dedicated storage for the carbon bathing ladder, which is a significant upgrade. This positions on the starboard side of the boat. Her sound system has also been fully upgraded with a Fusion Apollo head unit and Fusion speakers fitted in the cockpit and on the T-top itself. Key West is also fitted with underwater lights, colour changing courtesy lights within the speakers and cockpit courtesy lights fitted in the T-top. Further upgrades and equipment include a full overall winter cover, custom cradle, vinyl wrap on the hull with pearlescent finish, shore power and battery charger. Key West is Spanish registered and has a charter licence.